St. Luke's Health System is the largest health system in Kansas City metropolitan area. My name is Sven Oland. I'm Director of Nutrition at St. Luke's Hospital in Kansas City. We started our search a couple years ago looking for a temperature monitoring solution. So this solution really stood out to us based off the battery life, ease of use, and the cost. Some of the benefits of using this temperature monitoring solution are monitoring the temperatures in real time. We can identify problems before they happen and take action. If your refrigeration temperature falls out of range in the hospital, it can really affect the food we serve to a high-risk population with a compromised immune system. Before using the temperature monitoring system, the old way, we wouldn't be able to react as quick. It would be 6 hours from now, 8 hours, until we can identify that the temperature was out of range, and then we would have to throw out all the food. We get daily reports through email. We're able to look back and identify any issues with the performance of the refrigeration. Our staff aren't having to record the temperatures twice a day. We're not having to store those temperature logs for 6 months. With this solution, we were able to get rid of the paper and identify problems in real time. Based on the success we've had with this product, I would definitely recommend it to another hospital.